your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about my Boxy Luxe. So if you want to see what I received in my Boxy Luxe for the month of June, just stay tuned. Welcome back. I'm super excited to be doing this video because I just got my Boxy Luxe in the mail. Yes, but first, happy Juneteenth, you guys. I am celebrating. We're about to head out to a barbecue and just chill and celebrate. We just came from a little community gathering and we had a lot of poetry and, you know, a lot of community leaders there. And now we're about to go to a little, you know, get together with our friends and go hang out and just celebrate this monumental day for, you know, for our people. So if you guys did not know, I have my own lash company, Flirty Girl Lashes, and I sell lashes at flirtygirllashes.com. And today through Monday, we are going to be having a 50% off sale. 50% off sale. If you guys did not know, I sell lashes at flirtygirllashes.com, and today in honor of Juneteenth, we are having a 50% off sale that will be going on until Monday. So everything on the website will be 50% off, boo. So if you want to get you some bomb mink lashes for the low, go on and hit us up and go on and go to Flirty Girl Lashes. You do not need a coupon. The discount will be applied automatically at checkout. Okay, let's go on and get started. Super excited because my Boxy Luxe then came in the mail today. Yes. So if you do not know what a Boxy Luxe is, basically Boxy Luxe is a box from boxycharm, of course. So basically you would have to sign up for the boxycharm's base box for $25 and get on the waiting list for the Boxy Luxe. Once you get off the waiting list for the Boxy Luxe, you will get charged an additional $24.99 every 3 months, and in your Boxy Luxe, you'll get 8 to 9 full-size products that value over $250. Like, come on now. So every 3 months, you'll get more than the 5 products. You'll get the 8 to 9 products, and they charge you an additional $24.99. But they do be having some good products. So I'm excited to see what's in this month's box. So let's get started, because I know you all are excited too, because I am too. So I just had to hop on here once I seen the mail, check the mail, and seen that this box was here. So let's get her open. I went on and cut her so it'll be easier. But here we go. It says Boxy Luxe, Boxycharm Luxe. Super cute. So let's see what goodies we have inside. So first off, I do see the the card for this month, and the theme is the Oasis. Mine's kind of all bent up, as you can see, but I do appreciate that it has the card with the products and how much they cost, because the last box I got, I think it was from Ipsy last month, didn't have it, or I'm not sure which box it was, but it didn't have the stock card with the prices, and I did not like that. So this is just some paper filler. So looks like there's something in this Osea thing, so let's open it up. It feels really, really hard. I'm going to put my finger in there. Oh, yes. So this is a Gua tool. Gua? I'm not sure. Gua Sha tool. So this is the little stock card right here. Gua Sha tool. And it has like instructions on how to use it. And it's from Osea. It says cleanse the face and hands. Okay, with this tool. Prep skin with favorite Osea facial oil or serum. Hold stone against skin at a 15-degree angle and apply light medium pressure. Under the eyes, gently sweep from inner corner of eye outwards. Use long, slow, and intentional movements to relax muscles. To sculpt and define, use upward and outward strokes. Wash stone after every use. So, ooh, this is interesting. I've never even heard of this. I do have a jade roller, and that's really nice, and so this kind of reminds me of it, but my jade roller is rose quartz, but this is kind of different. I'm definitely going to try this out, and it has instructions on how to use the tool, so, and it shows you in the motions you go, which is pretty much the same as a jade roller. So I'm intrigued to try this out. If you guys have ever tried this, please comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are on it, because I've never tried this or even heard of this tool. So that is interesting, and it came in a cute little Osea sack, so that's nice. I'm gonna set that right there. All right, so next up we have, this is by M.Greengrass. It's the CBD head to toe cream. CBD levels 100 milligrams. Yeah, and it's made in the USA. So it's 1 ounce, which is, you know, 30 milliliters of some CBD cream that you can use head to toe. So that's interesting. So it says directions. The multi-active formula offers intense moisture, boosts hydration with soothing and calming benefits while leaving skin feeling smooth and restored. Great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe. Use 1 to 2 pumps, ideal for all skin types. So I'm intrigued to try this out. There's 1 pump. It doesn't smell like cannabis or anything. It is liquidy. It really did absorb into the skin, so we will see. I'm going to do this on my feet because y'all know the feet be needing a little extra love. So I'm going to try this out and see how it does on my feet on a daily basis. And next up, we have, this is from Pouty. It is the Perfect Glow BB Cream and SPF 30. It's oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. So this is very nice because I am kind of into BB creams. I am wearing makeup today, but usually haven't been wearing makeup lately, especially since we haven't been really able to leave the house. So I've been liking the BB creams, and it's been extra hot out here lately. So I'm using a BB cream from my Skin Star box that I like, but I am going to try this one from Pouty and see how it does. So there we go. Next up, this is by Pure Heels. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. Oh my gosh, if you guys have not seen my Skin Star box unboxing video, I got this mask in my box and I love it. I just love it. Oh my God, let's open it up. It looks like honey. It feels great on the skin. It is so nice. And now I have 2, you guys. 2. Oh my God, and it's full size. I am so happy right now. Now, what I noticed with this one, it does not have the white lid cover, which I do not like about that, but it does still seem to be full compared to my other one. But my other one that I got in my Skin Star box, it had the, you know, the white little seal cover. Oh my goodness. That is exciting, you guys, because this is a really, really good mask. So I hope any of you guys that are signed up for Boxy Luxe and you watch my channel, I hope that you guys get this in your box because I am loving this sleeping mask. All right, so next up, this is by Kylie Skin, which we know is by Kylie Jenner. And it's the foaming face wash. It's cute packaging, but it doesn't really intrigue me to have her face wash because she had a lot of bad reviews. Like, I don't know. So I might put this in a giveaway for somebody. I don't have any Kylie products, and I don't plan on owning any of her products. But, yeah, I don't know if I'll be trying this one out at all. So I'll put this to the side. And plus, I like the stuff that I've been using so far for my face. Okay, and next up, we have, this is by Bodyography, a professional cosmetic lip pencil, and it's a 2-pack. Ooh. So this is what the packaging looks like. So let's open this up and see. And we like getting 2 pencils, right? All right. Oh yeah, and they're colors that I would use. They're like kind of brown, a light brown, dark brownie, or is that a pink mauve? I can't really tell in the camera. In person, it's more like a, yeah, it's like a mauvey pink. So yeah, I would definitely use these Oh yes, that is nice. Try these lip pencils out, boo. And next up, this is by Lilly Lashes. Oh, and I love me some Lilly Lashes, but your girl still have some lashes too, okay? But yes, this is the Triple X Mascara, and I love her packaging. It's just nice and sleek. And let's see what this mascara looks like. Very cute mascara packaging, matches the box. I love it. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna like this mascara. Look at the brush and the bristles on that. That looks really, really nice. So I'm gonna try this mascara out, see how she does on my eyes. So that is nice. And last but not least, we have the Tarte High Performance Tortillas Pro Amazon Clay Palette. So let's open this up. I think I have this palette already. I'm not entirely too sure. I think I do, but we're gonna see. I'm not sure if I have this palette already. It sounds like I do. I know I have something from Tarte that says Tortillas palette, but I'm not entirely too sure, so I need to check. But this is the palette right here. Don't want to like blind y'all with the mirror, but there's some really, really pretty colors. I don't want to swatch her right now, just in case if I have this palette already. I have so many palettes, so I need to double check, because if I don't have this I don't have it, I'm going to keep it. But if I do have this palette, I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. Yes, so that is everything that came in my Boxy Luxe, and I think it was a great box. I'm really intrigued about this tool. That is nice. And hello, this is awesome, because I'm loving this sleeping mask. It is wonderful and great for your skin, and I'm really into BB creams right now, so that is nice. And lotion, that's supposed to be very good and moisturizing and hydrating, that's great too. And I'm going to use this on my feet and just, you know, see how it do, okay? And I really do like the lip pencils. This is something that I will use. And same with the mascara. I've been wanting to try her mascara out, and I was going to buy it, but now I got it in my Boxy Luxe. So that's super, super cool. The Kylie Skin, it's a full-size bottle. It's nice, it's cute, but after seeing the reviews, because I was going to buy the Kylie Skin when it first came out, but after seeing the reviews, it just didn't intrigue me, because everybody said it didn't really do nothing. It, you know, it wasn't all that. So I don't want to use it, because if you do not know, I did have some breakouts from using this Miss rose oil, collagen oil, and so I am just trying to get my face back right, and the regimen that I'm using right now works, and I don't need to throw something in there that had a lot of bad reviews. You know, if my skin was up to par and I didn't have those breakouts, yeah, I would try it out and let y'all know my thoughts on it, but as of right now, no, because I'm trying to get my skin back together, okay? So that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.